What if I told you that 80% of your results come from just 20% of your efforts? Sounds crazy, right? But it's true. It's called the 80-20 rule. And today, I'll show you how to use it to work smarter, not harder. Meet Alex. He's an overworked office employee, drowning in endless emails, meetings, calls, and paperwork. Sound familiar? But what if there's a better way to manage his workload? One day, Alex's mentor introduced him to a powerful principle, the Pareto principle, also known as the 80-20 rule. It's simple. 80% of results come from just 20% of your efforts. This idea was first discovered by Italian economist Vilfredo Pareto, who noticed that 80% of the land in Italy was owned by just 20% of the population. Over time, this rule was found to apply to many areas of life: business, health, and even learning. On screen, you can see an image of Vilfredo Pareto, the man behind this powerful principle, a concept that helps us focus on what truly matters. The 80-20 rule can be applied to almost anything. In business, 80% of your profits often come from just 20% of your customers. In your daily life, 80% of your stress might come from only 20% of your problems. Alex decided to identify his most important tasks. He focused on the 20% that would make the biggest impact, instead of wasting time on low-priority tasks. Next, Alex started automating simple tasks and even canceled unnecessary meetings. He learned to focus on what truly mattered. With fewer distractions, Alex became more productive and less stressed. His productivity skyrocketed, and soon he had time to enjoy his success and feel at peace. So, what's the lesson here? The Pareto principle isn't just for business, it's for life. Identify your 20%, focus on what matters, and watch your results improve. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple management tips.